show you how to use this application, SmartQ. Enter the application and then choose the surah to memorize, and then enter the counter of ayah 1 or 3 or 5 times. Press and then press the ayah.
هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ahmad Munawar bin Zubairi. I am 15 years old and I am from SMK Agama Kedah. So today, our invention is we are developing Android and iOS and prototype to enhance the method of teaching and learning using the theoretical teaching of Al-Qabisi 1955. Who is Al-Qabisi? Let me explain to you guys, all the viewers. Al-Qabisi is one of the expert Islamic scholars which emphasize the ways to memorize Al-Quran using senses such as scanning, listening, and reading. This application was using Adobe Flash CS6 with ActionScript 3.0. This app was built based on ADDIE model, which is, let me explain to you what is ADDIE model. ADDIE model, A stand for analyze and D stand for develop, another D stand for design, I stand for implement, and E stand for evaluate. This invention applied traditional method of memorization into new method of memorization. This app also is in line with 4.0 industrial revolution in education system. Besides that, this app also useful for everybody and as essential Tahfiz learning for long life learning. The belief of the miracle of the Al-Quran has led us to create this application that enables and facilitate the Muslim, especially our Tahfiz students, to memorize Al-Quran. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala said in Surah Al-Hijr verse 9, which means we have without doubt sent down the message and we assuredly got it. This app is useful for novice Tahfiz teachers because they can use this app while they are teaching in classroom. This app also useful for Muslim that want to memorize Al-Quran. Mostly, for all of you guys information, Muslim that want to memorize Al-Quran already have the spirit, but they don't have the method of memorizing Al-Quran. So that just bring them down from memorizing Al-Quran. So this app, we provided the method of memorizing Al-Quran which they can use for them to increase their spirit to memorize Al-Quran. Then, nowadays in 21st century, this app can ease beginners memorizer to memorize Al-Quran. If you want to attract people to use your app, you must have abnormalities compared between the other app. As you can see, our app is very different from other app. Okay, firstly, our application no need to use mobile data or Wi-Fi because we have developed the offline feature method in our application. So that means you don't need data or Wi-Fi to activate your application. Then, secondly, this app is more to memorization and recitation compared to the other app which is more to recitation. Okay, inshallah we will publish our application at Google Play Store later. The content of this app had gone through content validity and reliability by Sheikh Qadri Abdul Hamid, which is the expert scholars in Tahfiz learning from Institute Al-Quran Darul Aman, IQDAR. Apart from that, he is also one of the judges in the National Quranic Memorization Competition. Okay, whoever watching this video, don't worry because the Smart Al-Quran app was tested among 10 students and 7 expert teachers who are undergoing the Tahfiz learning and memorizing 30 Juz Al-Quran. We have also conducted content validity and reliability using Chromebash Alpha, which is the value is more than 0.7, which means our app is good and can be trusted. This application was protected from copyright from my IPO, and the application number is LY 2019-001911. We do not use Qari from outside of our school, we just use the reciter from inside of our school, which is one of the Qari has won the National Memorization Al-Quran Memorization Competition, and the other one has won the National Al-Quran Recitation Competition. Well, to get this app, you can't get it at Google Play Store yet because as you can see, if you want to develop your app to Google Play Store, there was some rules and regulation by Google Play Store company. So we provide a link for those people who want to get this app. So as you can see, there was 14 states at Malaysia, and every state have their own Tahfiz model Ulul Albab school. So we can commercialize our app by sending and promoting the link about this app. They also want to memorize Al-Quran. So if we send our link to them, I'm sure they also will take this app for them to memorize Al-Quran. Okay. Whoever watching this video, please listen and take note why we deserve to win the gold award in this competition. Okay. In our first competition, Sirim, we have just been awarded silver medal because we don't do any improvement of the app yet. But due to our perseverance, commitment, and the improvement of the app, we have maintained 5 consecutive gold awards from Aira UUM and Prism IBDA, also Hari ICT UITM, Penang, and then IREX. For your information, among the 52 participants that entered the Hari ICT at Penang, we have won the first place among all the 52 participants. Then, in our latest competition, IREC International, we have been awarded the 5th gold award. We have also been crowned the Special and Best Innovation Award 2 times in a row by INVEX Research Innovation. Okay, now let me explain to you the improvement that we made from our first ever competition until now. In our first ever competition, Sirim, we do not create copyright yet, so that's why we just got silver medal that time. Then in our second competition, Aira UUM International, we already create copyright. Then in our third competition, Prism, we have added the feature that we can memorize the Al-Quran ayah by ayah or in group ayah. In our fourth competition, PIP, we have added in-app translation. Then in our fifth and sixth competition, Hari ICT and IREX, we have added Blink translation, and now we have created the link to get this app that I explained just now. And in this competition, we have added the new features such as Razm Usmani compared to our previous features. In the other hand, we also upgraded the graphic and background of the app. This app is built different compared to other app at Google Play Store because this app is more to memorization and the other app at Google Play Store is more to recitation. Why we call this app is more to memorization? Because, okay, as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys. This is how it looks. Then, if we press the first ayat, then it will repeat this ayat 5 times, which is other app at Google Play Store can't do that, you know, because at other app at Google Play Store, they're mostly for recitation. If we press the surah, it will read the surah from the top until the bottom. So this app will repeat the same ayah for 5 times, which is we use the Al-Kabisi method. And this really helped the student to memorize Al-Quran, especially for the students that study at Ulul Albab school. So really prefer them to use this app. Okay, then I'm gonna make it quick. Firstly, I'm gonna talk about the effectiveness of using this app. So as you can see, we use the traditional method, which is really working among all of the students. Most of them already memorized all the 30 juz of Al-Quran. Okay, you guys imagine that we have the traditional method that working among all of the students. Then we have the technology. We combine them, and I'm sure the result will be really great. So that's the concept we used for this app, which is we have the traditional method, then we mix up with technology. You know, I really like this app because it has so many abnormalities compared between the other app at Google Play Store. Like I said before, that this app is more than memorization to recitation. And then the other abnormalities this app have is that this app no need to use Wi-Fi or mobile data. At that point, we can't save our data, no need to buy our data anymore because we can use this app offline. Then I want to talk about the experience I get when using this app. Firstly, what I can see for myself, I gained the interest on memorizing Al-Quran because this is really unique app because we use technologies to memorize. So by that point, it can increase the student interest to memorize Al-Quran because use technology other than to use the Mus'haf. Secondly, this app really helped me to memorize Al-Quran faster than before because of the help from technology. Then the third experience I get from using this app is, for you guys' information, all of the Tafiz model Ulama School in Malaysia, we have to take the exam in Fiqhul Ayah. Then this app have the translation of the ayah. So that's really helped me to score the Fiqhul Ayat exam. Then there's a fun fact for this app which is I really like because we can use this app after we memorize the Al-Quran. We can use this app to record our voice. So after we record our voice, we can hear it back, which is this feature don't have at other app at Google Play Store. Secondly, this app really helped me to memorize Al-Quran faster than before because of the help from technology. Then the third experience I get from using this app is, for you guys' information, all of the Tafiz model Ulama School in Malaysia, we have to take the exam in Fiqhul Ayah. Then this app have the translation of the ayah. So that's really helped me to score the Fiqhul Ayat exam. Then there's a fun fact for this app which is I really like because we can use this app after we memorize the Al-Quran. We can use this app to record our voice. So after we record our voice, we can hear it back, which is this feature don't have at other app at Google Play Store.